Hi there, today we're gonna be doing peach and prosciutto pizza. We're gonna put our Italian hat on. I'm so excited. So we've just got store-bought pizza dough, and I have in here some melted goat cheese, some thyme, and salt and pepper. So we're gonna stir this up, and we're gonna cook our base first. So, okay, we're gonna spread this on. This could be a complete catastrophe or it could be fun. So we will see. Right now, my doggy is currently licking the bowl that the goat cheese was melted on, so hopefully that's okay. Oh my gosh, this was smart to melt it. Okay, so again, it's prosciutto and peach pizza with a goat cheese base. We're gonna drizzle it with some olive oil. Oh, this worked out really well. Okay, so, and it only has to be cooked for like 15-20 minutes at 375. My kids are super excited that I was doing my cooking edition today so that we'll have food in the house. Okay, so that looks pretty perfect. So now I am going to put some peaches. So I could not find peaches, real peaches, meaning not canned peaches, because it's not peach season yet. So Wegmans disappointed. So I went with canned peaches, which is sometimes all you can do. So you just have to improvise. So I'm gonna throw some peaches on here. Okay. And then we are going to drizzle some olive oil. Okay, we're gonna put this in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes until the peaches, is it 20 minutes, not 15?
20 to 25.
Oh, 20 to 25 until the peaches are all nice and crispy. And then we're gonna add our arugula and prosciutto. So excited!
20 minutes later.
Okay, so 20 minutes later, we took our pizza out of the oven. Now we are going to put prosciutto, which is, of course, my favorite, but I promise it's part of the recipe. So we're just gonna sprinkle it with prosciutto because why doesn't that make everything better? And we are gonna top it with some arugula. Oh gosh, there's lots of prosciutto. So I'll show you our end product in just a minute. Gorgeous, or is this gorgeous? Hopefully it'll be yummy too. Let's see how it is. Peaches are hot. Goat cheese is good. I did not get prosciutto in my bite. Let me try another one. Okay, I just got peach. A hot peach. Very good. Okay, we gotta try it. Dinner tonight.